Colored pencils pick my makeup. Let's do it. Face first. Oh, pink. I'm getting Peppa Pig vibes. Concealer. Yeah, I look like a fruit pastel. Contour. And if you guys enjoy these challenges, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Eyeshadow. Dark blue. I decided to go for like a halo eyes. Okay, time for some shimmer. It kind of looks like the moonlight glistening off the ocean at night. Graphic liner. Pink. So I kind of just freestyled this pattern. I know this might be cheating, but I'm outlining the pink with white because I want it to stand out more. Eyebrows. Green. I look like an Oompa Loompa with these green brows. Lips. Dark blue. Let's pick two colors and make it ombre. Green. Oh wow, okay, that is a very bright green. Detail colors. Black. I think I'm just going to put random black dots all over my face because I don't know what else to do. So who's ready to see the end result? Here is the end result. Be honest, what do you guys think? Is this a cute or a fail? And comment any other makeup challenges you want me to do. I dare you.